Hello, my friends. Look at this yummy, yummy, yummy goodness. You know what? Guess what, my friends? It is exclusive to us right now, so get it quick. What is it? It is glitter paste from Crafter's Companion. 3 new colors, kind of going along our theme today because this is more or less red, white, and blue. It is Ice Dance, Snow Angel, and Poinsettia. Pretty much Christmas colors, but you know what? We have put them together in a bundle and ooh, they look perfect for today because guess what, my friends? It is all about red, white, and blue. Starting with a new item. I'm really excited about this one because it is, if you're familiar with our tri background dies for A2, guess what, my friends? We are now releasing tri background dies for Slimline. What does that mean? That means more coming and you will get to interchange the Slimline pieces, which is really exciting. Just like the A2 tri backgrounds, but a different size. Look at how fun. So this one has a little firework on it. This one says Happy 4th, and I can't wait to show you all my samples. Stay tuned. And this one has a bunch of mini stars. But wait, my friends, there's more. We also have a die set. I know it doesn't look like much, but wait. It says Reach for the Stars, and it has an extra star that you can die cut to add on top. Now, before we get into the samples, we have some epoxy dots, blue of course, because that's one of our signature colors today, right? 4 sheets of epoxy, all coordinating with our blues. Speaking of our blues, oh, by the way, one is glitter. Speaking of our blues, by popular request, customers have requested this for a long, long time. We finally got everything together. We are now releasing a felt family pack. Our felt is wool felt, meaning yes, you can die cut it with the thin dies, and it's in our blue colors. Now you are getting 7 different blues, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 different blues, 1 sheet of each. Now you don't need to buy 2 sheets of each color. You can buy a multi-pack, 1 of each color, which is really exciting. And this was by customer request, just saying. So now our blue epoxies match our blue felt, so go check those out. Let's jump into our samples because they are oh so fun. Speaking of tri background for the A2, here's an example of one. So this one has the grass bottom, the star top with the moon, and the sun in the middle, and it says Reach for the Stars. Isn't that gorgeous? It's such a good stamp, it's a good die set because Reach for the Stars, that could mean anything, right? It literally, it's just some type of encouragement message that I absolutely love. Or pair it with our star background die, the entire star background die, Reach for the Stars. Or look at this one, using our border set. I absolutely love that, fun, Reach for the Stars. Or you could go a different color. Look at that, totally different color. Don't you love that? But wait, there's more because you could even go this color palette. Look at that, so many different options. Look, so many different, the same die set. How many different ways? 5 different ways because the other one's over here. Look, boom, 5 different ways. The same die set, it's amazing. Very, very versatile. Now, let's look at our Happy 4th because I'm very eager to share with you how fun this is gonna be. So here's an example of one. So this set, this die, right, is gonna fit there. Then this one says Happy 4th. Now the fun thing with the Happy 4th, let me share that with you, is you can use the negative or the positive with this die set on the middle. The negative or the positive, because all of those letters stay in there if you want. Here's another fun one, Happy 4th, this time on a scalloped Slimline card. Here's another one. You can also do that Happy and 4th any which way you want. So here we have them kind of this one's straight, this one has the wide down, this one has it at a diagonal. The choice is yours. Here's a fun one with pattern paper, but watch this on the inside. Stars and Stripes Forever. Isn't that gorgeous? Now that's using the lowercase typewriter font, which is really fun. And the rounded Slimline. So this is on the rounded Slimline. Or you guys check this out. So here is how I designed it. Guess what? Turn it on its side. Right? Turn it on its side. So different, so fun. Look at that, Happy 4th with your little rectangles on the inside. Ooh, here's a fun one in black because you know fireworks are at nighttime. Happy 4th. I love those stripes on there. Home of the free because of the brave. So important to remember. So important to remember. That's using the Fireworks for Squirrel stamp set. Now, what if you need to use this for a birthday card? Take out the 4th and add a die that says birthday. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Now it is a happy birthday with stars. So much fun. Now, I know some of you are thinking, Stephanie, I really love this, but what if I don't want stars at the bottom and I want it to be a solid piece? That die is coming soon to a theater near you, coming soon. The basic Slimline tri-background is coming soon. Just saying. My friends, if you're a club member, guess what? You are getting 15 to 20% off in the entire website, including these brand new items that most are usually on flash sale the first 24 hours are on our website. Oh, exciting! Or until sold out, so hurry up. But club members get 15 to 20% discount off of the entire website. Club memberships, you can subscribe for as little as $13.99 a month, plus tax if your state has it. But $13.99 a month, you get a 15 to 20% discount off the entire website, and club points, and club discounts, and club freebies, and if you stay in a club for a full year for the Stampin' Die Hard Club, you get a $15 gift certificate to the website. It's so amazing. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and you know what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.